Hey guys, Wallace here from myislandjamaica.com. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time, I invite you to hit that subscribe button. That way you get updated on all my new videos. Alright, so today is a special day for us. Actually, it's our anniversary. It's our wedding anniversary, our 7th anniversary, and we are out having fun. We're at the Royal Cameron Hotel in St. Anne, Runaway Bay, St. Anne, Jamaica. Very beautiful property, as you'll see. And my goal today is to share some of the sights and sounds with you. So stay tuned and enjoy. To meet up with Christine. Christine is a visitor to the island, and I'm gonna say hi. Hi Christine, how you doing?
Good.
Good, good. Well, let's see here. How is it going?
Very well.
Good.
Nice and relaxing.
Nice and relaxing.
Yeah.
Is this your first? You're a visitor to Jamaica?
Yes.
Is this your first time?
Yes, it is.
Okay.
For myself. My husband's been many times.
Your husband has been here many times.
I don't know where he is,
what took
though.
you so long? So he's going to get food or something. Okay, so it's the first time to Jamaica.
Yes.
So obviously the first time to Royal Cameron.
Yes.
So what do you think about the property?
Yeah, it's nice. I like the huts.
You like it?
I like the beach hut.
You like the beach?
Style and accommodation.
The beach style? Okay,
Beach is nice.
good. Anything else?
Quiet.
It's quiet.
Yeah.
I like that too. I like that too. Okay, and they have lots of food.
Lots of food.
Lots of food. Okay, good, good. What took you to Jamaica?
Well, because my husband's family are Jamaican, so that's why
Okay.
we really looked at Jamaica.
Okay, beautiful. What do you like most about Jamaica? Why do you think Jamaica is special? The people.
Yeah.
I know. Thank you, Christine. Enjoy the rest of it.
Take care,
All the
darling.
best. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. To meet two beach bummers vacationing here in Jamaica. Hi. And this is
Hi, I'm Marie.
Marie.
Yes,
And where are you from?
I'm from Germany.
Germany and
Yeah, Rita, also from Germany.
Germany. And how long are you in Jamaica? Both.
We stay only 8 days.
8 days?
Yeah.
Only 8 days. I like
Okay.
you say only 8 days. How is it so far?
Yeah,
It's
it was really nice. We made a lot of things. Last 3 days we've been on tour.
Where are some of the places you went?
We've been on Black River side or Dunn's River Falls.
Dunn's River Falls.
We've been
Going to Amnesia tonight?
Yes.
That's the club?
Yeah.
Cool. All right, well, I usually ask typical of my readers and visitors and interviewees one question.
Yes.
Why Jamaica?
Why not Jamaica?
Why Jamaica?
Oh, I think it was a dream from
Yes.
us. We know each other over 20 years,
Uh-huh.
and yeah,
In 1999, we
we
decided,
decided to
when
go
we are
to
big,
Jamaica one
we
time.
come to
When you're big, you come to Jamaica. You made it happen. Congratulations. Congratulations. All the best. Enjoy the rest of the time.
Thanks.
All right, good, good. Hey guys, I'm actually down by the beach bar and I'm gonna be going in, meeting with Kaveen. Hi Kaveen.
Good afternoon, sir.
How you doing, buddy?
I am
Good,
good. This afternoon.
good.
Nice to have you with us today. We
Nice.
Welcome you to the beach grill.
Uh-huh.
Okay, I'll be one of your servers for today, okay?
All right.
Menu for today. What we do basically every day is our burgers, hot dogs, chicken wings, pizzas. We also have a self-serve salad bar. Okay?
Over here.
Self-serve
Okay. All right. So Kaveen, how is it here? I mean, my first time. As you realize, I'm Jamaican, so I hear the accent. How is it? How is it here?
Actually, I'm working here for 4 years. It has been good because I get to meet different people, different nationalities.
That's the
Yeah,
part
it's
you
been
love,
good so
right?
far. Yes. Because guess what? I learned a little bit of German, the
Oh, yeah?
language.
Oh, really?
Yes, from different
Okay,
people.
huh?
Yes. A little bit of Spanish, German, English. Yeah.
All right. So guess what you're gonna do for me?
Yeah.
You're gonna tell me something in German.
Okay. Yes, I can tell you something
You can
in
say
German.
hello in German?
Yeah. No, I can say good morning, good afternoon. How are you doing in German?
All right. Well, tell me what time is it now? It's 4 o'clock. So good afternoon in German.
Okay. Good afternoon is guten Tag.
It's what?
Guten Tag.
Guten Tag.
Yeah.
Guten Tag.
Guten Tag.
All
Yeah.
right. That's
Yeah.
good. High five. Take care, my friend. Nice meeting you, Carlton.
Enjoy your
Good,
time,
good.
okay?
So 10 points for the Luna family. Wow. That's the name. Science in nature. Which is the most abundant element in the universe? I go again. Moving on, I-Lane, I-90.
Come on.
All right. In the N lane, and I'm in my 40s. What number you need in the 40s?
45.
My friends, I hope you enjoyed it as much as we did bringing it to you. If not yet subscribed to my Island Jamaica channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. That way you stay updated on all my latest videos. Thank you.
Until next time, peace.